Hello scrapers! Ever wish you could effortlessly gather Zillow listings without spending hours copying and pasting? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract Zillow listings using Outscraper Zillow Scraper. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To access Zillow Scraper, just click on Services and search on Zillow Scraper. Zillow Scraper returns data from Zillow. Enter your target location in this query box, or you can use the URL from Zillow Search as your query. For this example, we will be using New York City, USA. Add the limit per one query to tell the service how many listings you need for each query. You can also use the built-in filters to easily sort listings by what's currently for sale, available for rent, or already sold. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Here, you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. And after the process is done, you'll get a neatly organized dataset ready to use in your CRM, marketing campaigns, or property analysis. And that's how you extract Zillow listings using Outscraper Zillow Scraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!